Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the compressor start device in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 4-inch nut driver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new compressor start device. The compressor start device is mounted on the side of the compressor. It powers up the start and the run compressor windings. If the temperature inside the fridge gets way above normal, everything melts down and you can hear clicking sound from the compressor area every couple of minutes. It's time to check and replace the compressor start device if needed. Now we're at the back of the fridge, and to get to the part, we need to remove this rear access panel. We need to take out the 4 screws, and I'm using a 4-inch nut driver. Now I'm going to pull it out. Well, as long as we open the panel, you can see that the condenser coil is quite dirty, so I recommend you to clean it. We can use appliance brush and soap. Then I'm going to spray it with the soap. Using a needle nose pliers, I'm going to remove this retainer. I'm going to grab it and push it towards the compressor and take it out of the hole here. Push it down. I can take it away. Next, I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver, and we're going to take off this starting device. Be careful, do not rush, don't force it. We're going to break the compressor terminals. I'm going to remove this plug, disconnect it from the device. Using flat blade screwdriver, going to open the tab and disconnect the plug. Alright, now we need to take out this capacitor, which would be, again, flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to pry it off. I'm going to put it aside. We're going to use it. This is the old compressor start device next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to put this retainer at the bottom into this opening, and then I'm going to put it on the side. Next, I'm going to install the capacitor onto this start device. I'm going to place the terminals into this openings, press it in, and we're going to slide the capacitor onto this post. And press it in. Next, we're going to install this compressor start device onto the compressor terminals. As you can see, there's a triangle, 3 openings here, and we have 3 terminals. Let's install this compressor start device and capacitor onto the terminals. Alright, I'm going to place that retainer on using pliers. And now I'm going to connect the plug. We're now going to install the rear access panel, and the bottom goes
behind the base here. Press it in, and then I'm going to secure it with the 4 4-inch screws.
Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.